before ako maligo, let's answer this question. Based on your most memorable part of the personal experiences in Media Art X Cinema Primera Week, for you, what does it mean to be a servant of art as an artist, student, and an individual? For me, it's a simple to answer.
May mga
Start na yun sa kabila.
walang ibang ano.
Then yung isa sa pag.
Bong.
Hey. Shy. I have question.
Is to have an experience and you have courage, willingness, and authenticity for you to serve without paying. And that's for me. Period.
Tapos na kayo?
Opo.
Bakit opo? Ano lang, third year lang ako, 22. Wow!
I have self-doubt, pero at my back, there is a person or may mga tao sa likod ko na go for it, so why not? I'll take the risk and try to lead a team, and why not, diba?
Pamijay po kami!
And ito talaga yung pinaka-memorable moment is after the event progress or not the during, kasi yeah, there is a learning and meron ding mga backstabber or no backstabber, may maririnig ka and hindi maiwasan yun because it's for improvement. But anyway, back to the most memorable for me is
Say, open yung envelope, cute. Yeah, usaw ka. Mahiya ka.
the last part. Dapat uuwi na sana ako nun. Kaso, hi, thank you kila Roma, Henry, Jeannie. Tinrit nila ako ng food. And yep, after we eat, after namin kumain, dumiretso ulit ako sa event kasi umulan. And then, habang umuulan, yun, tumulong muna ako. Siyempre, ayoko naman maboard doon. Like, di ba? Yung ibang tao, may ginagawa, like tumutulong, nag-aayos, kasi ikaw upo-upo ka lang. So, yeah, it's not my forte. Ayokong ganun, yung nakaupo ka lang sila may kumikilos. But ito na yung the most talaga. Yung after tumila ng ulan, dumiretso kami sa isang place. Tapos, you will feel the ambience of, alam mo yung parang nasa Tagaytay ka.
Wow! Sige. Bigay ng justice yan.
Tapos may kita mo yung place, ang warm, like parang nasa Stranger Things ka, tapos walang tao. Like, oh! And, yung sapatos ko nun, dahil nabasa siya, like, parang nasisira na. Hindi ko siya kasi na document, sayang lang. Pero yeah, I enjoy and I treasure the moment. Nagkaroon kami ng kwentuhan. And hi sa'yo dun sa specific person na nag-open up sa akin ng private problem niya. Hindi ko alam bakit. And hindi ko rin alam bakit nga ba. Pero thank you for trusting me. Anong meron sa mga words na nabigay ko. Pero yeah, thank you because you trusted me. Kasi it's a private problem, you know. Pero again and again, thank you. And that was memorable. So yeah, I think dito na lang natin i-end siya. And see you next year, your president. Bye!